quick review of the Huber mount Type 300 Model D made by Batesville Products Incorporated. And I am going to show you its basic operation. They do have a video on their website on hubermounts.com, and down here at the bottom you can see how it works, and they show a video of their graphics. The problem with their video is that it doesn't show you what knobs to turn in order to get a particular movement, and if you've already got a camera hooked up to it and you're not familiar with it, it's kind of unnerving to turn screws not knowing which one does what motion. So what's happening here is you've got the camera that mounts onto the dovetail, and you can match the bolt hole pattern to your camera by taking out the dovetail with this screw, and then that comes out, take it to the shop and drill the hole pattern you need, put it back in and make sure it's good and tight. And then you've got a locking screw here that's convenient to make sure it doesn't come loose. Then you've got the elevation screw there here that will modify the angle in which you look at it more like this, you can see it changing more. It changes the elevation of the camera, which is typically for a line scan camera. It's going to be this plane, and it's going to move that plane up and down for your line scan camera, so you can either go upstream or downstream on the motion of your product or whatever you're looking at. Then from the other side, you've got the azimuth adjustment right here, and when you change that, you can see those angles changing there. Okay, and that's going to make the camera do this. If you didn't see that motion, it's very slight. It's only like 15 degrees. Okay, and then you have the horizon adjustment, which is this knob here, and that's going to make it rock like this. Okay, and all that's going to do is help you line it up with your line light. Most of the time line scan cameras are used with line lights, or whatever camera you're using or whatever object you've got mounted on here. That's going to give you your 3 axes of motion. And then one other nice little thing that they've got here is a convenient Allen wrench that's mounted on the side there. You can take that guy out and then tighten down the axes, because there's going to be some set screws on each of the axes that will prevent it from moving once it's tightened down. You've got this one for the elevation. You've got this one on the front for the horizon, and then on the back side you've got this one for the azimuth. And tighten those down, and hopefully nobody will be able to mess with it. Okay, and then that slides back and kind of locks back in place right there. So then hopefully this video will help you with the messing with your camera setup. When you've already got a camera mounted on your production line, and it's all been set up once before, and you don't know what to tweak, barely, you don't want to tweak the wrong one. So now hopefully this video will help you determine which one to adjust. And by the way, the Huber mount is a very good piece of equipment. It's fine adjustment, and it's sturdy. It's built like a tank, and we've found very good use for it for very fine alignment of line scan cameras to light sources. Thank you very much for watching.